Hi to all of you, this is Marvil Di Mercado and I'm now going to show you how to make and color a basic shapes in Autodesk Maya 2011. First, you must put your polygons here, not just polygons, also click the sphere, make a line, choose another shape like cylinder or cube, cylinder, cone. Then to color it, you must first view it in solid. Just press 5. Then you will see that the object becomes solid. Now to color it, just put here or click here rendering, then ramp material. Click the object you want to color, then select 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 color red. Second one here, ramp material, selected color yellow. Here, ramp material, selected color green, and the cone, ramp material, selected color light blue. And that's it. We've just colored basic shapes on Autodesk Maya. Thank you. That's it.